As a sex worker in South Africa, we've been stigmatized, criticized, and criminalized. Clients, pimps, police do whatever they like with sex workers without being punished. If sex workers don't have access to legal assistance, sex work will still be vulnerable. They will stay criminalized.
South Africa follows a model that is the total criminalization of sex work, which means that sex workers bear the brunt of the full impact of the law. They are seen as accepted target of abuse. Police officers have used condoms as evidence, so they've either destroyed it, confiscated it, or if sex workers have 4 more condoms in their possession, they will arrest them for sex work.
Police officers illegally profile sex workers and physically and sexually assault sex workers. They might go to the police to report violence against them or problems that they experience, and they are sent away. They are stigmatized in healthcare settings, discriminated against, and alienated. They believe that sex workers are unworthy, and those attitudes are then supported by the law. If you are continuously alienated from assistance, your ability to take care of your health is very much impeded.
They are pushed so far underground because of criminalization. So what we're trying to do is bring sex workers out of the shadows and have them access the full range of rights.
People have been often raped or abused or arrested. The police have abused us. We've got lots of experiences that are difficult. And so when we
started the legal clinic, we found that we were not reaching the broader sex worker community. So we trained sex workers as paralegals to provide legal advice, as well as legal training and education.
So what happened during your arrest? Okay, so you slept in one blanket and the cells were dirty. How many were you if you slept in one blanket? 4. Do you know the names of the other 4 girls? When I was working as a sex worker, there was no helpline or legal assistance. We didn't know that our rights were being violated. We never had someone before who understood us and who were actually on our side.
My father was a garden boy, that's why I'm a sex worker.
We decided that as sex workers, we want our own movement so that they will be able to hear our own voices. How's business today? Quiet, ne? I can see. Well, my name is Nomisa. Debbie. Hi. I'm from the Women's Legal Center. I work there as a paralegal.
They've entered this work with a lot of experience of what it's like to be on the other side of the law.
Last year, 21st of April, I was raped. I went through it on my own. It was hard, it was difficult. I couldn't build myself up self-esteem. I managed to speak to one of the legal team on the helplines, and they said, no, do not take the easy way. You said no, and no is a no. It gives no man the right to do what he did. He raped you. 2 weeks back, it was my court date. If the legal team were not there, I wouldn't have made it. I would have cracked emotionally and just taken maybe the easy way out. Within there, I managed to face that person, look him in the eye, and tell my whole story.
Sex workers are human beings. They're mothers, they're sisters. They also have rights, as everyone else has.
Justice implies that you're treated equally to others. Without protecting the human rights of sex workers, you cannot guarantee that sex workers are able to access healthcare and are able to live their lives fully to that potential.
I've been empowered to know my rights. I also want my fellow colleagues to know that they have rights. And these rights are for us.